want a smart light switch that you don't have to do any wiring, installs in seconds, and you can choose your voice, your phone, or automate it? Well, we need to talk about the Switchmate then. Let's make smart home tech simple to enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss that next video. Hey, welcome back to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh, and in today's episode, we're going to be looking at is the simplest, easiest, quickest way to have a smart light switch. It's by using the Switchmate. And not trying to make it an ad or anything, but literally this thing is amazing. It does install in seconds. I mean, it takes longer to find batteries to put it in than it is to install it. So, link is in the description below to where you can see these, but really, there's nothing to it. It takes two AA batteries on the back. It's got two magnets that magnetize to the actual switch. Now, they've got a rocker version and a version for if you've got the actual flappy light switch. So, the nice thing also about this is you still get the physical button. So really, the beauty is not really in this. I mean, it's just an actuator that goes on and off to flips the rocker or your switch off and on, but it's in the actual app itself. And in the app is laid out pretty simple and easy. You can have multiples of these around the house and everything, but you can set it for multiple different options. So among those options are you can have timers. You can set multiple timers for different days, different times, different weeks, basically, to have it turn on and off at a certain automated time. You can also set what's called welcome home, and so when your phone connects to your wireless or gets close to the actual switch, it will turn on the light, so that way you have lights on when you come home. And you can set a certain time that actually works, so that way, you know, when you're coming home in the day, it's not going to turn on then. Now you're saying, this is awesome, where can I get it? Well, like I said, the link is in the description, but they are a little pricey, 30 to 40 bucks, depending on which version. Now they have the normal version like this that just turns it on and off and has all those options. They have a slim version which makes it skinnier and a little smaller, but it also has a motion sensor on it to where you can put this in the office, you can put it in the shed or anywhere that you walk in. It senses motion, turns the lights on automatically. So if you have like a light switch on the other end of your shed and you have two entrances and you come in the front, it will automatically see you and turn on the lights instead of having to trip through all the stuff in the shed to get to the light switch. So like I said, the really only downside besides batteries, I've had this for probably 6 months and we're down to 20% on two AA batteries. Not bad in my opinion for switching on and off every single night. The other thing is, like I said, it's thick. So it does stick out quite a bit and you just have to deal with having that. But it's great, like I said, for people that rent. Hey, well, that's really it. It's that simple, it's that easy, and I mean, it's not a gimmick. It really does work. It really is amazing to just be able to pop it on, and now I've got a smart light switch instead of having to do any kind of wiring or anything. So, like I said, it's great for people that have renting, that have no electrical experience, that have no neutral wire. You can solve all that just by one little thing. And it makes it so simple you can even pull it off that and put it somewhere else because you don't have to wire it at all. Hey, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know down in the comments, do you have a smart light switch? If you don't, why? Is it because you don't have the electrical knowledge, you're renting, you don't have the neutral wires because you wanted one, you've tried, but you don't have the right wiring? Why haven't you gotten a smart light switch? It really is something that is a whole lot easier to use. You can automate it, you can still use it as a light switch. So really, why wouldn't you have one in your house? But let me know down in the comments below. Like the button if you click it. And subscribe to the channel. As always, God bless you guys. My name is Josh and this has been the Gross Tech Show. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.